It's okay.
Welcome back to our channel, you guys. We are at a pumpkin patch, and I hope you guys see the video and you guys like what you guys see.
Yeah. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video.
We're going through a tunnel.
We're going through the tunnel of love. No, just kidding. This is the passion fruit tunnels. Yeah.
I wonder why they call it. So it is a
love.
tunnel of love.
Tunnel of love.
Passion fruit.
Are you having fun, Donna Banana?
Yes.
Yes? It's hot today. And I'm in a damn long sleeve.
Me too.
But I didn't come looking basic with a flannel shirt. Oh, sorry, you're wearing a flannel shirt. Just kidding.
I'll try to get the farmer life.
Yes. Whoa.
Can we pick it? No, right?
I don't know. I know you could take fresh fruit and vegetables from here, but I don't know if from here. I mean, look at the people over there walking. Maybe you can because they have bags.
Oh, they have bags? Oh, it's not
yeah.
like bags. Romaine lettuce?
Yeah.
Is that romaine lettuce?
It looks like it. It looks like dead romaine lettuce. And those are corn, right? Yeah, that's corn.
Yeah.
Hey, girl.
I don't think we can go through.
Oh. The pumpkin is orange. Orange.
Red.
That's red.
Trip over a pumpkin, and then boom, becomes squash. Get it?
Cute.
Okay guys, hope you guys like liked the video.
The kids enjoyed it.
The kids enjoyed it. They saw big pumpkins. Saw a lot of scarecrows. Saw the tunnel of love. So yeah, if you guys like it, remember to subscribe. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.